To charge your Peugeot hybrid plug-in's battery, check that the speed selector is on mode P and the engine is switched off. Next, press on the back of the charger flap to open it and ensure that there are no foreign bodies on the vehicle's charge connector. White lights inside the charger flap will come on. Insert the pistol into the vehicle's charge connector. The lights inside the flap on the car will flash green to indicate charge. If this does not happen, charge hasn't started. Please start the procedure again. At the same time, when the vehicle is plugged in, the following information will be shown on the digital cluster: battery status in percent, remaining range in kilometre, estimated charge time. After a few seconds, the digital cluster will enter sleep mode. The information can be displayed again by unlocking the vehicle or opening a door. You can follow progress of your Peugeot hybrid plug-in charge at a distance with the MyPeugeot application on your smartphone. Charge completion is indicated when the green lights in the flap stop flashing. A red light in the flap indicates that the pistol is locked. To unplug the pistol from the charge connector, unlock the vehicle if it is locked. If your vehicle is unlocked, lock it, then unlock it.